In a forgotten race bay, a dusty Ferrari 296 GT3 waits quietly. The tarp comes off, revealing scuffed paint and heavy rubber streaks. Around the rear, cracked lenses and chipped diffuser show hard racing miles. Inside, worn Alcantara and dusty carbon fiber fill the tired cockpit. Thick foam blankets the body, gently softening layers of track grime. Slow pressure washing rinses away dirt, revealing a dull but solid shell. Detail brushes dig into the wheels, turning clear foam dark with dust. Close up, water reveals stone chips, rubber spots, and fine surface scratches. On the lift, the underside shows oil stains and light surface rust. Wheels drop off the hubs, exposing worn rotors and dusty calipers. Rear bodywork unbolts, uncovering dirty crash structures and packed rubber marbles. Side skirts come away, spilling trapped gravel and revealing rusted brackets. Undertrays are removed, exposing suspension, exhaust, and gearbox coated in grime. Old suspension arms and dampers come off, leaving bare mounting points. On the bench, tired components contrast sharply with fresh replacement parts. A wire brush strips rust, revealing bright steel beneath flaking orange crust. A precise weld closes a crack, restoring strength to the chassis tab. Grinding smooths the weld bead, blending the repair into original metal. Old hoses and filters are swapped for clean, neatly routed hardware. Degreaser breaks down oil, letting bare alloy and carbon reappear. Dual action sanding flattens the paint, turning gloss into even matte. Dual action sanding flattens the paint, turning gloss into even matte. Careful masking leaves only prepared panels exposed, perfectly ready for primer. Gray primer unifies the surface, hiding bare metal and repair work. Fresh Rosso Mugello, red flows on, restoring the Ferrari's deep color. Clear coat adds depth and shine, turning red panels into glass. Painted parts cure quietly, glossy and dust-free under warm booth lights. Fine wet sanding gently flattens the clear, leaving a soft haze. Polishing removes the haze, revealing a sharp, mirror-smooth finish. New livery and numbers slide on, giving the car its race identity. Vacuum and brushes revive the cockpit, leaving Alcantara clean and uniform. New suspension and undertrays bolt up, replacing worn components underneath. Rear bumper and diffuser align perfectly, closing gaps with glossy edges. The carbon rear wing returns, sitting firm against the fresh red body. Fresh slick tires and clean wheels spin freely on tightened hubs. The engine starts smoothly, with steady vibration and clean, quiet running. The Ferrari rolls forward softly, reflections sliding along its polished sides. Fully restored, The Ferrari 296 GT3 stands flawless, calm, and track-ready.